thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. So we finished the first book, or completed book I have finished, of my Julie Netting Paper Doll Altered Book project. So this is what I've done with the cover. There's a video where I showed completely how I decorated this cover. It's very textured. It's got a raised frame with a Julie Netting girl in it with a feather in her hat, gemstones on the frame and some gold. She's got a butterflies on her hat, flowers, beads. So I beaded a necklace on her, a little butterfly on her elbow. And then on the back side here are some dangles. So there's a chain that's got a really pretty bling piece. It's got a charm with a hand mirror, a flower charm at the bottom, and that hangs along the spine of the book. And then the book's in the back has got texture and these beautiful appliques. And it's tied with hem tape. It's really pretty, and you can just untie it to open your book. So let's get started and do a flip through. So here's how the book started. It was with the girls on the edge, and each doll is on the edge of the page, and when you open it, it shows the next page and the girl on that edge. And the girls all show one behind each other. And so that's the girls on the edge. This one has a lamp tag that pulls out that has writing inside of it. And it slips down behind the chair, makes a lamp in the living room. That's the girls on the edge. And they're beaded. I've done a lot of beading and things and added a lot of fun decor, vellum. And there's a video of each layout, so it shows you exactly how I created each layout if you want to learn how to do it and create your own. So here's the next one. It's a very, very collaged background and a window page. So it shows the girl behind the window when you flip it. Now this girl is in the window, and that's the window page. And this one is Open Doors to Possibilities. There is an affirmation cards. I open new doors to life. There's a door that opens and a Julie Netting girl inside. And then here's all the possibilities of things that are within your reach if you want to just dream about them. It's very textured. It's got a nice little brick background. Then there's this page is the pocket page. So there's Julie Netting girls on pockets, on tags, in pockets in the altered book. So they slide out and in. There's this one with a Julie Netting girl that I turned into a fairy. There's this one, I love, and it flips out hats, and the hats are on Velcro, and you can take the hats off and decorate the girl with different hats. So that's a fun interactive one. Then there's this one, which is the fashion show. The girls pull out, and then let's have a fashion show. Title goes on here with Velcro. So it creates the fashion show. And then that slips in the pocket with the girls that slide in. And these again are beaded. I've done beading and things, but there's videos on all that. And then this one is, oh, and that fashion show, I'm sorry, it had a fold out too, which had even more girls in the fashion show. And then this flips open, and here's my gardener girl with the sunflower page. And this girl with her butterfly balloons and their vellum. This with the bee page that opens up. Be sweet and pollinate the world. And this folds down. And then it ties shut. There's the mermaid page. And that has a spinner. And then the one at the end is the circle of friends, and the girls can all be fanned out to show all the girls in a circle. The circle of friends. So that's it, and this has been a lot of fun. There's a video on each one, so check those out, and you can learn how to make this yourself. And I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed this process. It's been fun, and the people in the Facebook group seem like they're having fun making their books and decorating their Julie Nutting girls. So thanks for stopping by, and go make art, because art soothes the heart. Until next time when we start Volume 2.